Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. This week is critical for Bitcoin, with key figures that could define its trajectory. If you're betting on Bitcoin's rise, this video is for you. We'll decode these numbers and pinpoint potential pitfalls. So let's get started. Let's jump into the charts. On the weekly chart and spot price, Bitcoin just printed a green dot and is above the 21 EMA. For Bitcoin to keep its bullish momentum, it would be great to see it close above 65,000 by week's end. If it doesn't, we might need to reassess our outlook. On the daily chart, watch the 62500 mark closely. A daily close below this could indicate a shift in momentum, potentially leading to further declines. Now let's talk Monday's price action. Since the year began, Mondays have generally closed in the green. However, there's a possibility of a dip to around 62,750. If Bitcoin dips here, a quick bounce back above this level is crucial for maintaining the bullish trend. Let's analyze momentum via our cipher indicator. The weekly is currently printing a green dot, money flow is positive, and VWAP is moving up. Additionally, Bitcoin's position above the 21-day EMA at around 61300 supports the bullish narrative. As long as it holds above this, the trend remains positive. For those of you into technicals, here's more to chew on. The daily RSI is currently hovering around 60, suggesting there's still room for growth without entering overbought territory. Also, the MACD indicator is showing a slight bullish divergence, which could be a precursor to further gains if confirmed by price action. To sum up, while the charts hint at promising developments, we're at a crucial point. Keep an eye on 65,000 for the weekly close and 62500 daily. Any dip below these levels could be a warning. Stay vigilant, and let's see how this week plays out. Leave me a like, click the bell, and subscribe if you want to hear more of this. And see you in the next one.